I was watching some of the action from the Central Track and Field Championships. Kind of expected, but not expected, the big clash between Kevona Davis and Ashanti Moore to take place. The two best young female sprinters in Jamaica right now. And when you add Brianna Williams to that wider age group pool, you can understand why people are so optimistic about the future of Jamaica's female sprinting. But back to Central Champs and the clash that did not happen. Yes, the Maverick, like all track and field fans, was naturally curious as to who would prevail. But in a sense, I'm glad it not happened. And I don't even care if it happens at Champs. I am tired of the waste hype over who is the bigger Champ star. My ultimate wish for Kevona Davis this year is not that she beats Ashanti Moore or that Ashanti Moore beats her, or which one of them will win the 100 or the 200 at Champs, or even if they make the World Under-20 Championships. My interest is in Kevona and Ashanti making the Olympic team, and that they go and experience the bright lights and continue their progression. Both Davis and Moore are at that level where they need to be aiming higher than Champs. No disrespect to Edwin Allen or Heidel and the great work they're doing in unearthing these young talent. But the end game cannot be Champs. I mean, not stop say so. All when me old and turn grumps. It cannot be Champs. It can't be Champs.